Good morning, YouTubers. Hope you're all doing well. Yeah, another video, another day out on the water. This morning I'm out at the Outcast Club Dam. Yeah, thought I'd come and do another half-day session here at the Club Dam. Gonna probably fish till either 10, 11, and then go do some shopping at Timols fishing tackle. I'll take you on that adventure as well. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of something a little bit different. I haven't thrown these baits in for a while. I'm going to be throwing that 3D rat from Savage Gear for the top water. Just, I want to throw it out. I haven't thrown that. I've only caught one fish on that lure, and it was a long time ago. So while there's still a bit of frog bite, top water bites happening, I want to try and get it, get fish on it and see how it goes, and hopefully get some good fish on this early morning and get you guys some good footage. Keep watching and catch you on the water. Now.
Hi there. First fish. Nice size. On the 3D rat, Savage Gear rat. $1.25. Not too shabby. Very nice fish. So guys, I'm throwing the rat on 50-pound braid, Suffix braid, with a Akuma tactical frogging rod on my Abu Garcia Revo SX, the 7:1 gear ratio. So yeah, nice backbone rod for those big fish and to wind those fish out of the reeds and grass and all that. As you guys have seen in previous videos with me throwing my frog around and everything. Same, just with the rat attack. So guys, on the second dam now. That first dam just didn't work out. Caught those two fish, one off camera and the one in the morning with the rat. And other than that, a couple of takes and misses, but it was dead. For that dam, it's weird. Like, I always catch it, and I always catch more than 6 to 10 fish there. So we're trying this dam. It's got all this weird, I don't know what these are, but it usually fish as well. So I'm gonna give this a try for a little bit and see how it goes. Cool. Here we go. Yeah. And it's a good fish. No. Oh. Not too bad. About a 1.2. 1.2. Finally, this is on a square bill crank. It's a BWG crank that I got a while back. And a nice fish. Nice fish. Hey. Number 2. Yeah, smaller one. Yep. There we go. Yeah, this is a nice one. No, on a chatterbait. Here we go, guys. Chatterbait does the work today. Look how fat this one is. This is a fat fish, probably about 1.5. I caught it on the chatterbait. 1.4. Fat fish. Nice fat fish. Yeah. That was the morning fishing. I did try fish with the rat and that bat. For most of the morning I threw a good couple of casts, and I just wasn't getting anything. Just that one fish on the rat in the morning, like after, I think it was like 4th cast or something ridiculous. After that it went quiet. Then I switched off the camera as I was going to kick back to that side, and as I was kicking I caught another one of 800 with the Guggen bait. Then I had maybe 1 or 2 takes and blow-ups, but nothing crazy. And then I moved to the second dam, and then at the second dam I actually caught some better quality fish and nice fish, with 2 with the crankbait and 1 with the chatterbait, or was it 1 with the crankbait and 1 with the chatterbait, something like that. So yeah, it was pretty cool. Awesome fishing at these little dams. Today was tough, so don't know why. I think, look, we've had a lot of rain, so it could be that's with the dams filling up so much that the fish are off the bite. But it was still a fun day. I always enjoy coming out for the little morning sessions. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, hit that thumbs up please before you guys go. Sweet, cheers.